Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the PEATOP 12-inch LCD writing tablet. This is a writing tablet. Although it's aimed primarily for children, this can be used at home, in office and also in school. This is actually a great addition at school. This comes with pressure sensitive display, one-click erase, lock-unlock button, sturdy build quality, and it is also environmental friendly. So the idea is that you save papers instead of writing. The idea is that you write on this pad instead of writing on a paper and save papers by that logic. This runs on a universal CR2 battery cell, which I am hoping is included. And that's more or less it. I will open this box and show you what's inside. And there you go. This is what you'll find inside the box. There's this huge protective cover on top. I will just remove this. And this is it. This is the 12-inch writing pad. This also comes with a stylus. This entire thing is made out of plastic. But that's okay. It's not going to break. It's pretty flexible. It will not break anytime soon. At the back, notice that this is where the battery is. It's bolted shut, so I won't be able to show it to you. And currently, it's locked as well. There you go. You can see it's locked right now. At the front, this is, as I mentioned, is a 12-inch display, and right over here is this button, this bin button. So when I press on this will basically clear everything that's over here. See all these dirt and speckles, it should get cleared off. So all I have to do is unlock it. Now when I press this delete button, see, they're now all disappeared. Now it's clear. Now it's ready for me to write, so I can write whatever I want. Like, suppose I want to write, hello and welcome, you're watching digit.in. You can do this, and then once you're done writing whatever you want to write, you can press the delete button to delete stuff again. You can also use this particular space to draw stuff, such as these, if you feel like it, of course. And maybe you want to draw some scenery with trees in it, why not? You can obviously do all of these things. So on and so forth. Okay, also, and basically this is good for children. This is also good for adults if you are into creative stuff, and this can also help you with your creativity as well. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the PEATOP 12-inch LCD writing tablet. Thank you for watching.